Shenzhen, Jnicon Technology Company Limited is specialized in waterproof connectors, power connector, and signal connectors research and development, manufacture and sales. Products up to 14 series, more than 1,000 varieties. Widely applied in outdoor LED lighting, LED display, communication, new energy, automobile, electronic applications, etc. Jnicon is located in Shenzhen, China. Own more than 200 people's team, 2,000 square meters factory, varieties of test equipments of environment, electric and machinery 3 aspects. Jnicon does not only provide waterproof and high current connectors, but also offer the service of customized connectors and cable assembly. Jnicon has more than 50 items invention, utility model and design patents till 2017. In addition, all our connectors have UL, TUV, CCC, CE, and RoHS certificate. We are committed to providing responsive, cost-effective, efficient, and reliable logistics solution to our customers. With years of experience in waterproof connector applications, Jnicon connectors are selling well in all cities and provinces around China, also popular to countries such as United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands, Spain, United Arab Emirates, etc. The best customer service is the cornerstone of operations here at Jnicon. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Welcome selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking assistance for your application. You can talk to our international sales team about source requirements.